Hi, this is Bastian from AndroidPIT. LG has announced the new LG G7 ThinQ. We had the pleasure to be in Seoul and to check out the new device over several days, so let's check out our first hands-on of the new LG G7 ThinQ. As soon as you hold it in your hand, it's clear how different it is from its predecessor. The G7 has been improved in all respects. It's true that it's grown in size, but it still feels good in your hand. The device also has the rounded edges that you'll find on the LG V30. LG has made the transitions between materials smoother, which further improves your grip on the device. The G7 is very well equipped in terms of technology. An 845 Snapdragon SoC and 4 or 6 GB of RAM will ensure top performance. Depending on the model, you'll also find either 64 or 128 GB of internal memory, which can be further expanded with the help of a microSD card. LG had a difficult decision on its hands. They ended up proposing a notch that they're calling a new secondary screen. This notch is on the notifications list. On the left, there are 4 application symbols, and on the right, there are symbols for Wi-Fi, mobile data, and the battery. You can choose to hide the notch in the settings, which makes this part of the background completely black. The notch will then be almost invisible unless the device is set to maximum brightness, as this will illuminate the background. IPS screens don't offer deep black. The screen can reach a brightness of up to 1000 nits, but only for 3 minutes. The boost mode can be activated manually, which improves the readability of the screen under sunlight. The LG G7 has a dual camera, with each module housing a 16 megapixel sensor. The wide-angle lens is 107 degrees, which is a little less than what the G6 offered. LG has looked into artificial intelligence and implemented a recognition system in its AI cam. It recognizes scenarios and automatically switches to the appropriate photo mode. In food mode, for example, the camera enhances color dynamics, and in other AI cam modes, it can help depict the sky or the fine details of a flower. AI cam images are also sorted using tags in the gallery application. According to LG, there are nearly 1,100 tags and 20 different modes. With respect to sound, LG has modified its mono speaker. It has a more resonant chamber, which allows for more bass. You may feel a slight vibration in the back when you play music, but this is intentional. If you place a G7 on the table, you can use this feature to build more resonance. With the G7, LG brings its G series back into the high-end market. The new camera seems to be really impressive. The artificial intelligence part plays a big role, as we've seen with other companies. In total, it's a really interesting and powerful device that can compete with the best. Of course, we have to take a close look at the smartphone in our final review that you will find on our website at a later time. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.